Hi there. If you are looking at implementing a data lake in your organization, or your existing data lake or data warehouse is causing a few headaches, then a data lakehouse may be just what you need. Companies such as Reckitt and H&M have reported drastic reductions in cost up to 70% after switching to the Lakehouse platform. I have Madhushan here with me who will shed some light on the subject. So Madhushan, tell me, what is a data lakehouse?
The term data lakehouse is a portmanteau, basically a fancy way of saying that it's a blending of two words, a data lake and a data warehouse, hence a data lakehouse. It's a new open data management architecture that combines the best elements of the two architectures and therefore is able to reap the benefits of both systems. The cost efficiency, the flexibility and the scale of data lakes, as well as the data management structures and the administrative features that are available in the traditional data warehouses.
So why change what works? What does a data lakehouse evolve on?
So before we get into that, let's understand the two paradigms or concepts behind a data lakehouse. So first let's start with the warehouse. Traditionally, data warehouses have been used in decision support applications and business intelligence requirements for quite a long time now. Despite the fact that they're very much suited for and are excellent at handling structured data, they're not so much at handling semi-structured and unstructured data. And in this day and age, businesses have to deal with semi-structured and even unstructured data. And data that is highly variable, dynamic and large in volume. Data lakes then emerge to handle those requirements and to handle the raw data in its various formats, especially for scenarios in data science and machine learning applications. However, they lack some of the key characteristics from the world of data warehouses. They do not support transactions, they do not enforce data quality or any sort of schema on your data structures, and their lack of consistency or isolation made it nearly impossible to do concurrent read and writes, which is something that should be a staple of a central data repository in your business. A common approach was then identified to use multiple systems, a data lake and a data warehouse. Data from operational databases would first be ingested into the data lake, potentially curated by cleaning or consolidation. Then a small subset of critical data would be transformed into a data warehouse and then used for business intelligence and analytics requirements. But this coexistence was not without its issues. It's challenging to maintain consistency between two systems. And the most recent data is most probably on the data lake, which means the business intelligence tools that are producing the dashboards or the reports for business leaders especially frequently have out-of-date data. And finally, you have a system that could be quite complex to manage and also quite expensive to operate. In summary, lakehouses represent what would result in a redesign of data warehouses in the modern world, given the availability of low cost and highly reliable storage of a data lake.
Thanks Madhushan for giving us an insight into lakehouses. Catch us again next time to learn more about its features.